There we go.
Is it on?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Wait, the guys are going, right? The guys are going to go now? Yep. Right, you want me to stay like right here? Just lay down?
Okay, we have another object in the middle.
Oh. This is gonna hurt so bad. Cross my legs? Oh no. What's up?
Alright, boys, odd numbers. Girls, make sure you watch where you're grabbing. Make sure you don't watch grab necks, things like that. Yeah, boys, same with boys. Are you guys ready? Odd numbers. Yeah, don't make him do the splits. Don't make him do the splits. He is not a wishbone where you can just break him apart. Yep. Okay, on your mark.
Oh gosh. Well, no. I'm okay. I hope that turned out good. Yeah.